Well, my memory card was full, so I went and got a new one, took a little break, and Chris is playing with his tractor. Putting some of the fill in there. Got rid of that big giant piece of concrete that was in the way. Because going around and around to do this one would be hard with that in the way. That silly chicken, wherever you put dirt, they have to scratch in it right away. So now you can sort of see where the screw piles are and where the fill is being used to kind of bring the ground up to that level on that side of the greenhouse. Still got quite a bit left over there, but we'll do that after we get these last two in. 3, but 2 today. This fifth one, where's my finger here? It will not budge the last 2 inches. So we're thinking we're going to move it a foot either way because we just can't get it to go in. Oh, jeez. Come on, you guys, get out of the way. These guys are puffing themselves all up, competing with each other. They were starting to fight, weren't you? That was 2. It's hitting the 2x4 now. Come on, you guys, get out of the way. One, get. Go, 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 go. Okay. Oh, good. Oh. So now we gotta unscrew that one.
Actually, unscrews easier.
I was just saying, now we gotta unscrew that one all the way out of the ground to move it. That one went in, the last one, number 6, and dug in really good at the last, like it went down really quick. This one just will not budge. The saddle's even twisted and bent, so we're gonna have to unscrew it. I think that's gonna be tomorrow though. We are whooped. This is a lot of work, so I think we're gonna have supper and then I gotta get that pumpkin taken care of.